In this video, we're gonna take a look at this gaming monitor. So as you can see, it's called Grab Beer and it's a 105 gigahertz monitor. So this one is for gaming. Now, depending on which one you pick, as you can see, it's gonna cost you around $100, and it's one of the best monitors on TEMU, and it has a lot of reviews. And as you can see, for this user it was 180 euros, and it's a great quality for this price, because you won't find these types of gaming monitors at this price. So you only care about the hertz that this gaming monitor has. And before that, as you can see, it is a 24-inch one, full HD with 1 ms. So this is a great monitor for gaming for low budget. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.